Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Toto. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you to my subscribers and my new subscribers to come. Well, as you can see, today's video is about my crochet water wave Bohemian look hairstyle. So this is the style that majority chose. I pretty much asked a question of which hairstyle you guys think I should wear on vacation. If you watch my previous video, I said I was a little biased because I did want to go with a shorter length as far as time hairstyle, and also like a big curly hairstyle because I've already had spring twists for like the past 4 months. Blue and also the ombre burgundy, so I was over braids and twists. I wanted like some hair, but that wasn't my hair. So this is the style you guys chose, and I was hoping that you guys would choose. I went with the color black. It is water wave. What I did was I got 5 packs of the freetress water wave crochet hair in the length 12 inches. Now I usually get the full length, which is like 22 inches, and I don't cut it in half, but I just cut like at least like 3 or 4 inches off of it. And then I insert it and then cut along the way. But this was so easy to just get the 12-inch hair because it was easier to separate for one, and it was in bulk. So I was able to literally separate just one strand into like 3, 4, and sometimes 5 strands to insert my hair. I didn't use, to insert the braids, I didn't use all 5 packs. I used 4 and a half, so I still had a half a pack left. Yeah, so also I add a little, you know, flavor to it. Y'all know me, even though I went with all black, I still like to have some type of difference, some type of what's the word for it, flavor, I guess. I don't like for it to be boring. So what I did was I inserted some of these locks in my hair. I don't know if you can see them or see it, but these were also in my previous video a while back, where I used this as a crochet hairstyle with my deep twist hair, and it has it's a goddess lock look, and I think these were like 10 inches or something like that. So I wanted to add like a bohemian type of vibe. I also put a little passion twist in my hair in a few of these sections, and it took away some of the fluff. So this is it. I also framed it and shaped it to the way I wanted it to look. It's not super long, it's not short, it's like the perfect length that I was going for. So yeah, what else? I have a little short video as to how I inserted this hair. You guys know how to crochet, at least I hope you do, but if you don't, you know, watch this short video and you will see how I put it in. I have 14 braids, small braids, going across my front, like going straight to the back, and then they end here. You will see how it looks. I don't know how to explain it, but for every 2 braids that I have in the front, one big one is connected in the back. So 14 in the front and then 7 in the back. So yeah, this is the hairstyle that I'm wearing on my vacation. It's very light. I can get it wet. I'm not going swimming, but I will get my hair wet, you know, and I won't have to worry about, you know, this tangling up on me, or what else? It getting matted, or I can literally just wake up and go. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, this is the style you guys chose. This is the style I was hoping you guys would choose. So thank you for that. And yeah, if you want to see how I put this hair in, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And share, of course. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. If you don't, still give it a thumbs up. And I will check you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye. Ooh, I am finally done braiding my hair. Oh my gosh. It took me so long. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know why, but I'm done. I have 14 braids in the front and then about 7 in the back. This is my last braid, and I'm going to use this and just crochet it. I don't sew it down or pin it, I just crochet it through the rest of my braids. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So I'm looking like, whoa, I am looking a little crazy, but that's okay. This is how my foundation usually looks. My braiding pattern is either 14, 12, the least I had was 8 braids in the front. So yeah, I'm done. Not by far perfect parting. It's crochet braids, the parts won't show, so that's what I love about it most. So I have about, I got 5 packs of these things. Five packs.